In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam always offline. It's a very quickly and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, you need to check if you are on a Thursday. On Thursdays, Steam update the platform, so if you are on a Thursday, you need to wait until Steam is updated. If you are not on Thursday, you need to first restart your Steam, so click right here on the top left corner Steam, click exit and run Steam as administrator. So click right here on your Windows search bar, search for Steam, click with the right button and click run as administrator. In my case, it is on Portuguese, but it's the same process. If this also doesn't work, you need to check your network connection. Okay, you need to check your internet and your network connection. You can also turn off your VPN if you are using, and you will see that you will fix this problem. I hope I help you on how to fix Steam always offline. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.